Today, you will learn how to change bullets to checkboxes in Word document. First, open your Word document and locate the bulleted list that you want to convert into checkboxes. Many people create a list using normal bullets and later decide that they want checkboxes instead. The good news is that Word allows you to change the bullet style without retyping the entire list. Simply select all the bullet points that you want to change. You can click and drag your mouse over the list to highlight it. Once the list is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the Paragraph group, find the Bullets button. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the Bullets icon instead of clicking the icon itself. This will open a gallery of different bullet styles. In many versions of Microsoft Word, you may already see a checkbox symbol in the list. If you see it, simply click it, and Word will instantly replace your regular bullets with checkbox bullets. If you do not see a checkbox style in the bullet gallery, don't worry. Click Define New Bullet at the bottom of the menu. A new dialog box will appear. Click Symbol. Here you will see hundreds of symbols available in Word. In the Font drop-down menu, you can choose fonts such as Wingdings. Scroll through the symbols until you find Checkbox. Select it and click OK. Then click OK again. Your selected bullet list will now be converted into a list that uses checkbox symbols instead of standard bullets. However, if you want interactive checkboxes that can be clicked on and off inside the document, you can use the Developer tab in Word. First, make sure the Developer tab is enabled. If you do not see it, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and Enable Developer. After that, place your cursor where you want the checkbox, open the Developer tab, and click Checkbox Content Control. Word will insert an interactive checkbox that can be checked and unchecked with a mouse click. Now, to change its checked symbol, select it and go to the Properties option at the top. Now, to click Change next to Checked Symbol and choose Font as we chose previously. And remove this border by choosing None instead of Bounding Box. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel,